Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 1. Today we are going to start English grammar class. You can take out English grammar book chapter 14 page number 55. In page number 55 you can see pronoun. So what is pronoun? The word which is used in a place of a noun is called pronoun. So today we are going to learn about pronoun. How we use pronoun in place of a noun. Okay. Now the word which is used in place of a noun is called pronoun. The word, for example, noun means noun is a naming word. So, in case of a noun, we can use pronoun. In place of a noun, we can use pronoun. Like, for example, Rohit. Rohit is a boy. Rohit is my friend. So, Rohit is a noun. So, what we have to write in case of Rohit? We will write he. He is my friend. So, in place of a noun, we are using pronoun. So, the word which is used in place of a noun is called pronoun, like this. Okay? So, you can see the examples. This is Rohit. He is a boy. So, this is Rohit. Rohit is a noun. Rohit is a naming word. So, naming word we can say noun. Now, in place of a Rohit, we are using he because he is a pronoun. He is a boy. He is my best friend. So, my is also a best friend. So, wo mera. So, my. In case of another person, we are using my. His father is a doctor. So, his. His is also a pronoun. You can see the examples. This is Rashi. She is a girl. So, her name is Rashi and she is a girl. So, Rashi, in place of Rashi we are using she. She is also pronoun word. So, she lives near my house. वो मेरे घर के पास में रहती. So, मेरे घर में. So, the third person is also a noun. So, that's why we are using my. In case of a third person we are using my. My is also a pronoun word. So, here her mother is a nurse. So, her mother is also, उसके मम्मी nurse है. So, mummy, in case of mummy's name we are using her. Okay, her is also a pronoun. In the above sentence, he, she, my, his and her are the words which are used in place of a noun. So, these are he, she, my, is, her. So, it is used in a place of a noun. When we talk about one person, place, animal or thing, we use the pronoun I, me, you, he, him, she, her or it. So, when there is a single person, when there is a one person or animals or thing, like he, this is my pen, you, I am a girl. So, I am a singular person. मैं अकेली हूँ. So, I am a singular girl. That's why I am writing I am a girl. Me and my friends. You, he, him, she, her, it. So, she is a girl. This is Rashi. She is a girl because she is a single girl, singular girl. That's why we are using she. So, when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or things, we use the pronouns we, us, you, they, them or this. So, in a plural words like person, place, animal or things, we use we, us, you, they, them. In case of a noun, in place of a noun, in a plural word, we use we, us, you, they, them and this. So, you can see the examples in your board. Look at the given table and learn about one and more pronoun. One means singular, I, me, he, him, she, her, you, it. And in a plural word, more than one, we, us, they, them, they, you, this. So, how we can use singular and plural? You can see this. Look at the boys. So, there is a plural word. Plural noun. So, this is also a noun. How we can use? They are playing. So, they. They is also a plural word. Now, those are birds. So, those are birds because there are two birds. So, we are using those. They are sitting on a branch. Now, I am Karan. Why? Because he is introducing by himself. So, I am Karan, he is Aryan, we are friends. So, I am Karan, he is Aryan and we are friends like this. So, I am Rahul because he is single. So, I am Rahul. This is Mr. Bajaj. So, why? Because he is single person. That's why we are using this. Look at me. So, like this. These are the examples of a pronoun. What is pronoun? The word which is used in a place of a noun is called pronoun. And in a single person, in a singular person like person, place, animal or thing, we use I, me, you, he, him, she, her and it. So, in a plural word we use in a one or more than one we use we, us, you, they, them or this. So, in page number 57 you can see this is Mrs. Paul dash is a teacher. This is Miss Paul, so dash is a teacher. She is a teacher. Because she is a girl, that's why we are using she. In a human word, we use she. That is a peon, dash rings the bell. So, peon is a boy, masculine gender. So, what we have to use? That is a peon, he rings the bell. Because of masculine gender, we have to use he. The children are running, dash are getting late to school. The children are running. There are so many children. So, what we have to write? They are running. So, this is a plural word. That's why we are writing they. Mr. Verma is my neighbor. Dash is a painter. Now, Mr. Verma. Verma is a masculine gender. So, he is a boy. That's why what we have to use? Mr. Verma is my neighbor. He is a painter because of masculine gender. Masculine gender means boy, male person. Okay. Now, underline the pronoun in the following sentence. He is Kunal. So, this is a noun. So, in place of a noun, we are using pronoun. He is Kunal. So, he is also a pronoun word. He is my friend. So, what we have to use? He is my friend. वो उसका दोस्त है. So, he is my friend and my is also a pronoun word. She is a good girl. So, वो अच्छी लड़की है. So, she is a good girl. There is no name. Because of the no name, we are using pronoun word. Tanu is his sister. Tanu is his. They go to school together. They means the students. His father is a doctor. His father is a doctor. Miss Swati is his mother. Miss Swati is his mother. I like him. मैं उसको पसंद करती हूँ. But there is not your name. That's why we are using I. I is also a pronoun word and him. I like him. You didn't write a name. That's why him. We are using a pronoun word. So that's why him is also a pronoun. Now, Fill in the blanks with he, she or they. This is my mother. She is a doctor. Dash is my father. He is my father. He is an architecture. She is my aunt. She is a teacher, or you can write, she is a teacher. Look at the boy. They are swimming. When there is are, so we have to use they, because there are so many. There are more than one people. So that's why we have to use they. Dash is a peon. So he is a peon. So this is the homework. Exercise A, exercise B and C. Do this in your copy. In next page you can see complete the following paragraph by filling in a appropriative pronoun. So you have to complete this. My name is dash. What is your name? For example, my name is Rohit. I am 8 years old. My father name is, you have to write your father name. He is a doctor, or he is a farmer, or he is an engineer. My mother name is, you can write your mother name. She is a housewife. I have one brother or sister. She is 8 years old, 9 years old. My grandparents also live with us and they play with me. So they also tell me a nice story. So you can fill up this, okay? You can write your father's name and your mother's name and write your name, write your age. So this is your homework. Exercise A, exercise B, C and D. So we have finished the chapter, chapter 14. Revise the chapter. We have learned today pronoun. So what is pronoun? A noun. In place of a noun, we can say it is called pronoun. The word which used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Okay. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.